In this video, I am going to show you how to give admin access in WordPress. So let's get started. So at first we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard. Then we are going to create a new user and give it admin access. So to create a new user, from the left menu we are going to click on users and then click on add new. Now at first we need to add the username for our user. And then we are going to enter our user email. After that we are going to add the name for the user, and then we are going to set the password for the user. If you want to generate a new password, then click on generate password. It will generate a new password for this user. Now if you want to add your own custom password, then you can add it here. And now we are going to scroll down to the user role section. This is the most important section, and next to it we will see a drop down, so we are going to click on it. And from here we can set the roles for this user. If you want users to do all the settings for your WordPress website, then you can set him as administrator. But if you want to give the user limited access, then you can use any other user role like contributor, author or editor. But for this video we are going to use administrator role. So we are going to click on it. After that we are going to scroll down and then click on add new user. And as you can see that we have successfully added new user on our website. So here it is. And now we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard using these admin details. So we will go to incognito window. And now we are going to use our new admin username and password to see whether it's working or not. So I have entered my new admin credentials and now I am going to click on login. And as you can see that our new admin user is working.